Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study the type of the chemical reaction with easy definition, example and the chemical reaction. The first one is in this chapter we will study the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction and redox reaction. The first one is combination reaction. Here is the definition: when the two or more substances combine and to form the single product is called the combination reaction. Example: calcium oxide with water, and then we get to form the one product is calcium hydroxide. So here the calcium oxide is combined with the water and to form the one product is called the calcium hydroxide. Next one is a decomposition reaction. When two compounds break into the two simpler substance, it is called the decomposition reaction. Here is the example: lead nitrate and lead on heating lead nitrate and break into the simple substance lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. And here is a third example is displacement. Third reaction is displacement reaction. Here is the definition: when a more reactive element replace a less reactive element and form its compound, it is called the displacement reaction. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो जिंक है वो रिप्लेस करेगा कॉपर को फ्रॉम द कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन से. तो देन हमारे पास ये डेफिनेशन है डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन की. नेक्स्ट वन है डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन में क्या होगा, व्हेन टू कंपाउंड्स एक्सचेंज देयर आयंस एंड टू फॉर्म द न्यू कंपाउंड, it is called the double displacement reaction. Here is a both compound exchange the ions and form the new product, yani silver nitrate and sodium chloride is exchange ions and to form the new product. Here is silver chloride and silver nitrate. And fifth one is the oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen is called the oxidation. Example: copper plus oxygen and then to form copper oxide, yani copper combined with the oxygen and then to form a copper oxide. Last reaction is a reduction reaction. No, reduction reaction is the sixth one reaction. Removal of oxygen is called the reduction reaction. Just copper oxide loses the oxygen and forms the copper. Next one is a redox reaction. Redox reaction is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place together is called the redox reaction. And then जैसे example है copper oxide plus hydrogen, and when we get the copper plus water, hydrogen get the oxidized while the copper oxide gets reduced. तो ये मैंने आज आपको बताया टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन. इफ़ यू enjoy this video, then don't forget to like and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you everyone.